Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video I'll show you how to fix VIVO X300 FE Wi-Fi not connecting. First, let's go into settings, Wi-Fi, and tap on your saved network and delete it. Then try reconnecting. If it still doesn't work, scroll down to your menu and toggle on and off airplane mode. And lastly, you can go back into settings, system management, then reset networks, and reset your network settings. Now once you all do that, go back into your Wi-Fi and reconnect to it once again. And it should be working. I hope this helped. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.